Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we have an exciting topic to explore. We'll be diving into the world of website building with AI. More specifically, we're going to talk about the new AI website builder, Durable. It's a fully capable AI website builder, and in this video we'll discover what makes it so unique and why it's a game changer in the industry. So let's not waste any more time and jump right in. So this is the AI website builder, Durable. This AI website builder can create an entire website complete with images and engaging copy in a matter of seconds. To get started, you just want to go into the Durable website and you want to click into this button here, Generate Your Website. At this point, you can get started with the AI website builder. You just want to click on Get Started. And then you just want to answer the questions that the AI website builder is asking you so that they can get an understanding of what kind of business you're selling and create a website that's suited to your type of business and your type of products as well. If you're unsure at this point, you can always see some suggestions and see what kind of suggestions that they have. And then you want to enter the name of your business. For all of these, you can see different suggestions for your business name and things like that. And you can see the AI website builder generating a full-on website within a matter of seconds. So part of the website building includes creating layouts, creating some text content, creating pages, and just giving you a starting off point so that you're not starting fully from scratch. You have a place to start up from and then make changes where you see fit. And once your website is ready, you see this little call to action here and you just want to click on See It. And here we go. So you can see now the whole website has been generated. This so far is a one-page website. And what's really cool about this website generator is that if you're not happy with even just like a certain section, instead of starting again, you can regenerate a certain section. So for example, these two sections are okay, but maybe I want the services page to look a little bit different. So I'm going to hover over the services section and I'm going to click on Regenerate section. And it's going to come up with another layout for me that I can edit as well. It's important to note that this isn't the final version. We can customize, we have some customizable options as well. So once you're happy with the general layout of things, all we need to do now is click on Customize. And we'll need to create our account first. You just want to go through each of these and create an account. And you can see that there's different sections now, and it looks a bit different because we're now in the editor mode. So we can do things like, for example, add a new section. So if I wanted to add a section between this hero part and this layout here, I'm going to click on the add section that's between them, and I can add sections, whether that's a full width banner, a text and image section, gallery, and things like that. It just means then I have some pre-designed layouts and I'm not designing everything from scratch. So for example, maybe I want to do a list, and it's just going to generate that layout for me, making it really easy to just create a website without having to do a lot of the manual coding or dragging and dropping as well. If you go into the settings, you can see this is where you can customize the actual styling settings, and we recommend doing this in the beginning so that you start off with the colors and the branding and the fonts that you want. So for example, you can see this background color and you can see the font pairings as well. So in terms of the fonts, they have some pre-selected font pairings, and you just want to go through and pick the font pairing that you think works best for your website. And then you also just want to choose so this is the button style, and then you just want to make sure that the button style looks exactly how you want it as well. And you want to give it a browser icon as well. And this is the little favicon that shows up on browser tabs. And once you're happy with that, you just want to click Save. And you can see it's now using the font and the styling that we want as well. It's really easy to add pages as well, so you can see right now I've got the home page, but if I just click on the plus, I can add another page as well. If you click on device, you can see that we can view the website on different devices and different orientations as well. So for example, if I want to see this device on phone portrait, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on landscape. So you can really change and customize the website and test it out for responsiveness as well. And then once you make changes, what you can do is just click on save to save the changes as well. If you click on each section, you have the option to edit each section for the content and stylings. For example, this section here, if I click onto it and click the little edit icon, I can change the content, I can change the alignment, I can change some of the background colors that's used, and it just means that I can really customize this website for the styling as well, and all the layouts are pre-designed for me as well. The great thing about Durable is that you can publish your website for free and get a free custom domain name as well. But you do need to create a plan to go live. So with the Durable pricing, they have a starter and a business plan. With the starter plan, you get the custom domain name, you get chat, onboarding, email support, 50 contacts, and things like that. And with the business, you get a lot more features. So you get everything that's available in the starter, but you get priority support, you get call onboarding instead of just a chat onboarding, and you get the unlimited storage as well, and things like that. It might be a good idea if you're just getting started to just click the starter plan, and you can always upgrade or downgrade as well. What's good about Durable is that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so maybe you start off with the business plan, and coming towards the end of the 30 days, if you realize actually the business plan you don't need as much features as they offer, you can always downgrade to the starter, or if you or vice versa. If you want to start off with the starter and you realize actually you need to upgrade a bit more, you can do that as well. So it means you can get to really test your website out for a month before making a final financial decision as well. So let's go over some pros and cons of using AI web builders. Using AI web builders have several advantages. The main one being speed and efficiency. So AI web builders can create websites really quickly, and it reduces a lot of the development time compared to traditional methods. As we've seen with Durable, it created that website within 30 seconds, and I was able to make some customization options afterwards as well. So it really cuts down on the development time in the beginning. AI web builders are very feature intuitive, and they have drag and drop functionality, making it really accessible to those even with limited technical skills or no coding knowledge at all. Since AI builders automate lots of tasks, they can potentially save costs associated with hiring web developers or designers. And AI ensures a consistent design throughout the website, avoiding potential human errors and ensuring a cohesive look as well. AI builders can also assist in generating content like text and image suggestions, easing the burden of content creation as well. But with everything, there is some disadvantages as well, and some of the disadvantages of AI builders include limited customization. So while AI web builders like Durable offer templates and design options, they might lack the flexibility and customization of potential of manually coded websites. Due to using templates, websites created by AI builders might have similar appearance to other sites using the same templates. So there's no kind of originality in design either. Advanced features and specific functionality may not be available in AI builders, requiring manual coding or additional plugins. And despite their user-friendly nature, AI builders might still have a learning curve for new users, especially when exploring more advanced features. And relying heavily on AI may lead to challenges in the future if the platform changes or becomes obsolete. It potentially requires migration efforts, and meaning moving to your website to another different platform completely. So it's really essential to carefully consider the specific requirements and goals of your website project when deciding whether to use AI Builder or opt for traditional development methods. Each approach has its strengths and its weaknesses, and the decision should align with your unique needs and preferences as well. And that's a wrap for today's video on the Durable AI website builder. I hope you find it as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts about AI website builders or anything else related to web development, feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you all and will do my best to respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll